জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Dripto, let me tell you something, please don't mind. Just because Jasmine loves you, you treat her like her existence doesn't matter. Do you think she deserves this? You had been missing since morning. Nayan was missing too. Both of you were missing. Don't you think Jasmine feels bad about it and feels anxious? No, I mean, can you explain to me what the fault of that girl is?
He is not going to listen like this. He won't, Vicky. I tried that many times, but it didn't work. Today he has to answer me at any cost. Deepu, tell me, where have you been? Answer my question. Now there comes the real culprit. I'll show you.
Aunt, be careful. That hand of hers is hurt. No, Nayan. You couldn't give me any evidence. You lied to me in the name of my mom. Not only that, I lost respect for you today. You told me that you could stoop low for me. But so low. Didn't you hesitate to call an innocent person a murderer? Shame on you, Nayan. Not anymore. I won't show any concern for you from today onwards. No way at all. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. Everything just goofed up as I'm late, right? I'm really sorry for that. But Jasmine, you can still trust me. At least I don't break one's trust like others. But I'm telling you the truth. I didn't go anywhere with anyone. Seriously, I did not go. I went alone.
Did you go alone? Where you had gone?
I want to see what Nayan was conspiring in secret.
Was I conspiring?
What? What did you say? Nayan went to conspire?
Yes, she did.
Impossible. Nayan won't do that even if she dies. She's not that type of girl.
Is it so? Dad, don't you judge people well?
Of course. I'm quite old now. At least I understand a person better than you do.
Wonderful. Then there's nothing more to say. But I have to say something. I must ask you if you know yourself.
What? What are you trying to say?
Dad, do you agree that you can also conspire?
What? I am conspiring? Me?
Yes, you. Is what you did to my life any less than a conspiracy? Tell me.
I get it. He is mad because I couldn't prove anything. He's attacking father out of that rage. You have to tolerate all this because of me, father. Please forgive me.
Why are you silent, Dad? You don't have an answer to this, do you?
Dripto! Are you out of your mind? Did you even think before you said that? He is your father. Is he conspiring against you? Shame on you. Whatever he's been doing is for your good, Deepu.
Actually, you know what, Grandma? Here everybody understands my good. Everyone but me. All of you play your own games with me. But when I try to protest, everybody gets upset and turns defensive and swears about their relationship with me. And whatever Dad does is absolutely correct.
You're right, Deepu. Absolutely right. Actually, this is their style, their pattern. If you listen to him, you're good. And if you don't, you're bad. I didn't go according to them, so I have been bad for them. I'm a rebel, I'm a protester. Anyway, I used to be the only one protesting. Now at least you raised your voice today. Durba, why are you interfering in the father-son conversation? Why are you instigating him? Wow. If speaking the truth means instigating someone, I will take Deepu's side today. Listen, Deepu. Taba Brata tricked you into marrying this substandard girl and you are remarrying by going against it. This is the fitting reply to his conspiracy that he's planning against you. I'm proud of you. Bravo, my boy. Bravo.
Spot on, Durba. You're absolutely right. So, Dripto, give a fitting reply to this girl's conspiracy as well. We would like to know what the girl conspired and against whom? We would all like to know this.
Yes, Dripto. Tell us what Nayan did. Tell us already. I seriously want to know. See, Rangana is always chanting her friend's name. If she gets to hear about Nayan's conspiracy from you, at least she will get a reality check.
You have learned to give a reality check, haven't you? I won't believe a single bad word about my friend.
What conspiracy is Dripto talking about? I hope the flower matter doesn't come up right now like this.
What is wrong with you, Dripto? Why are you doing this? You're insulting Nayan in public. It is called an insult. Yes. What you're doing is not right. It is an injustice to Nayan, Dripto. She has done so much for you. Huh? She doesn't deserve this.
Why are you silent, Deepu? Come on, speak up.
Dripto, don't look at her. She's dangerous. She's a very dangerous girl. Don't soften up. Come on. Tell us about her conspiracy. We are eager to know.
Expose her pretense of being good in front of everyone.
It's time to tear off her mask, Dripto.
Dripto, please. Don't let her down. Don't do it. Please don't. Don't hurt Nayan like this. Please.
Lourdes. Oh, Lourdes. I can't understand what Dripto wants to say. I'm not bothered about my insult. But if he spills the bean about the poison in the flowers in front of everyone, including Jasmine ma'am, then they will become alert. Oh, Lourdes, I haven't got to know about the test results of those flowers from the policeman yet. What should I do to stop him? Please tell me what to do. Didn't you ask me why I brought the rotten flowers to the policeman? Those flowers were not actually rotten, sir. There was poison in them, poison. There was such poison in those flowers which can kill people not immediately, but slowly by getting mixed in their breath. Exactly the way Sudha was killed.
Don't worry, Aunt. I've smashed all her conspiracies.
You may have smashed them, but at least tell us what it was.
There's no need for you to know that. Just know that Nayan can't stop Jasmine and my wedding in any way.
Aunt Pratima, what's going on? Tell me. Why is Brother Dripto speaking against my friend like this? What's wrong with him? I don't understand. I don't understand what happens to him. Intolerable. Seriously.
Did you see that? He did not tell us the actual thing.
Exactly. I feel disgusted. We could have tortured Nayan if he had told us.
Thank Lord. Tripto at least didn't raise the issue of flowers in front of everyone. Does that mean Nayan didn't tell him anything?
I don't understand that either. But
Hey, what's wrong with you all? Why are you all standing like stone sculptures? Isn't it a wedding ceremony, huh? Why are you all spoiling the wedding ambience by worrying about a maid servant? I don't get it. Rangana? Hey, aren't you a jolly person? And you are standing quietly in such a happy occasion. Huh? You should cheer everyone up. Why are you standing quietly? Aunt? Aunt, what's next? The turmeric ceremony, right? Make arrangements for it then. What are you doing? Piku? Piku, listen. I was saying, decorate the house beautifully, okay? I mean, uncle, the decoration should be perfect. You bring flowers if needed. Decorate the house beautifully with flowers, but don't order just any flowers, okay? The flowers should be Jasmine's favorite. That's all I want. Uncle, why are you still standing? Piku, what are you doing? Aunt, listen, you get started. I'll join shortly.
you didn't do the right thing, Dripto. You were unfair to Nayan. Very unfair.
Whether anyone understood this or not, but I did, Deepu. You are hurt. You are deeply hurt. You are in great agony. Not every pain can be hidden with a smile. But why are you hurting yourself like this?
Nayan? What did just happen? Did you dig your own grave? Wow, very good. Now I will decorate the entire house with my favorite flowers. Did you get it? With my favorite flowers. What is this? Will you keep standing silently? Won't you say anything?
Will the whole house be decorated with those flowers? What a disaster! How many flowers will I remove? It won't be easy to remove flowers this time, Lourdes. What to do? I must do something. I have to do something so that I can hand over the flower test reports to Dripto before the wedding. The test will be done in a government lab. Dripto can't deny it after seeing that report. But how do I contact the policeman? Jeet. Yes, only Jeet can find out the policeman's phone number.
Aunt Durva, you know what Nayan says? She says she'll protect Dripto.
But now let's see who is going to protect her.